These hub and spoke operations that we've conducted over the week, I think what they tell us about PACAF and the Air Force in general is that we are willing to do the hard work to build the relationships necessary, and it lets the Indo-Pacific know that we're committed to its freedom and the stability in the future, and we're only going to get... These are not a new concept. We're going to...
U.S. and Philippine Air Forces conduct dynamic force employment exercise at Clark Air Base. In a significant demonstration of bilateral cooperation, the U.S. Air Force and the Philippine Air Force conducted joint flight training during exercise dynamic force employment from Clark Air Base, Philippines, between December 9 to 13, 2024. The exercise, centered around the iconic A-10 Warthog, highlights the enduring partnership between the two nations and their shared commitment to advancing multi-domain capabilities. Strengthening multi-domain operations. Exercise dynamic force employment is designed to enhance air, space, and cyber capabilities while bolstering interoperability between U.S. and Philippine forces. By integrating their expertise and assets, both air forces are better equipped to respond to evolving regional challenges and maintain operational effectiveness across multiple domains. The training featured a series of bilateral flight operations, including A-10 Warthog flights, coordinated landings, and ground support exercises. Known for its durability and close air support capabilities, the A-10 Thunderbolt EU, often referred to as the Warthog, took center stage in showcasing the ability of both nations to operate seamlessly in diverse mission sets. Advancing regional security. This bilateral training aligns with broader efforts to enhance security and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. By participating in dynamic force employment, the Philippine Air Force gains valuable experience in working alongside advanced U.S. platforms, enhancing its operational capacity and integration within allied frameworks. This exercise underscores the strength of our partnership with the Philippine Air Force, said a U.S. Air Force spokesperson. Dynamic force employment allows us to train together, exchange knowledge, and build capabilities that ensure both nations are prepared for any contingency. The training included simulated combat scenarios, aerial maneuvers, and joint landing operations, providing participants with realistic and challenging environments. These exercises are designed not only to refine technical skills, but also to strengthen communication and coordination, key elements for successful multi-domain operations. The role of the A-10 Warthog. The A-10 Thunderbolt, renowned for its survivability and firepower, played a pivotal role in the training. Its ability to provide close air support and integrate with allied forces makes it an ideal platform for showcasing joint capabilities. Both U.S. and Philippine personnel worked side by side to refine tactics and procedures that will enhance their operational synergy in real-world scenarios. Building trust and readiness. DFE exercises like this go beyond technical training. They foster mutual trust and deepen relationships between the U.S. and Philippine Air Forces. By working together in a structured, high-tempo environment, both forces build the confidence and cohesion necessary to respond effectively to shared security challenges. For the Philippine Air Force, participating in dynamic force employment represents a valuable opportunity to enhance readiness, develop modern operational concepts, and gain insights into cutting-edge U.S. practices. For the U.S. Air Force, the exercise reinforces its commitment to supporting allies in building robust, integrated defense capabilities. A commitment to shared goals. The success of exercise dynamic force employment reaffirms the decades-long partnership between the United States and the Philippines. Both nations remain committed to advancing their strategic alliance through continuous collaboration, shared training, and joint operations. as regional dynamics evolve. Exercises like dynamic force employment play a critical role in maintaining a free, open, and secure Indo-Pacific. Through this bilateral effort, the U.S. and Philippine Air Forces are demonstrating their ability to adapt, innovate, and operate effectively as partners in safeguarding peace and stability in the region.